I'm Kukweka Lord Vincent, the leader of the group. So this is our website, Muscle City Fitness Gym. This is the homepage and you will see here the name of the gym and also you can see here the coming announcement to the gym. This is the login page. They can sign up after that. They can log in their account here.
So, this is about us section. Y'all can see here the motto of the gym. So in that we burst motivation while in the gym. And then you can see here in the next page, gym facilities. So while you scroll into our website, you'll be able to see gym equipments and machine. So in that, customers can visualize the beauty of our gym. And then we have here, contact us. For further questions, just please contact the listed emails, phone numbers for us to hear you out.
Here at the trainer, you will see the available trainer of the gym and what he or she can offer to his her client and also the social of the trainer so that his or her client can message or contact him.
In the program section, you can see different variation or types of programs, such as arms. If you click one of these, you'll see different arms exercise categorized by skill level, beginner, intermediate, and advanced.
Next is the package section. In this section, the gym offers different types of membership, like basic membership, 850 pesos per month, standard membership, 2,400 pesos for 3 months, and last one is the premium membership, 6,500 for 6 months. Once you've selected the membership you want, click Join Today. A sign-up form will appear. Simply fill up the required information to complete your registration.